Oh no, it's my phone's USB-C. Oh, got it covered. These are the Rolling Square Incharge XS. These are the small ones. They come in this lovely little packet. Got 3 of them in all 3 colors. And let's open them up. And here we have the 3 color options. We've got the orange, we've got the kind of white cream color, and then we've got classic black. This is sort of silver, the actual metal bit. This is silver, and this is a kind of like a space gray. Your fingerprints will show up on it. But again, all of them are the same functionality. Very, very cool. And I will list out what the functionality is. The transfer speed, I think it's 250 watts, which is just like insane. And I'll pop on screen the price. And also don't forget, you can use my discount code and save a fortune on these, up to 20% off your first order. And here it is in the orange. It's so mini and small. Got this little cap here. Boom, open it up. And you've got a USB-A and a lightning. It's held together with magnets, so you can loop that onto your trouser. Your keyring is where I keep it. You can put it on your like loop of your rucksack. You can just pop it into your bag like that, but it's nice to loop it onto something. That magnet holds nice and strong. That cover keeps it straight. But then what happened yesterday in the gym, I've got my one on the keys, and 2 of the boys wanted to charge the charger and only had one charger. I'm like, oh, I've got this. And he's like, oh no, it's my phone's USB-C. Oh, got it covered. And if your wall plug is USB-C, got it covered. But look at that for like data transfer from like your Mac to your phone, whether you're on Lightning or if you're on USB-A. So it's just the coolest, most handy little accessory. And think about that as a stocking filler. That's my recommendation. I really like this. This is such a handy item. I use this all the time.